Hey, what's going on? Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations. Hope you're just doing great today. Just finished my workout that I did not want to do today. And this is about the 5-second rule. This is an amazing thing by Mel Robbins. I may have talked about it before, but I wanted to bring it up again because repetition is the key to learning. And well, this morning I just did not want to do my workout. And I went 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I just moved and I started doing it. I started moving towards the basement and started actually, just warming up and acting as if. And the 5-second rule, the best way I can explain it is it's a distraction mechanism for your cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex part of your brain is your thinking brain. And it's the one that kind of justifies and goes over like, I don't feel like doing this today because so on and so forth and all these other excuses. And we start having these internal discussions with ourselves. And before we know it, we're convincing ourselves not to do something that actually aligns in our values, that's in the course of where our goals are. So the question is that what are we contemplating? Something like this for me, I knew was in line with my goals. It's something that I want to keep doing, but I was in my head in that particular moment. So I needed to get out of my head. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, what that does is in our minds, just thinking subconsciously, we already know what comes after 1. It's go or it's blast off, right? So what happens is, again, our cerebral cortex is distracted. It's thinking, I don't want to do this. This is going to be a pain in the butt. This is going to be a lot of effort. My energy is kind of low right now. All these different excuses. And then I start the countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I start moving physiologically. I start getting my body to move. And what happens is that by the time your brain starts catching up, because it's distracted by the countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that distracts the cerebral cortex. That distracts the thinking brain because now it's actually following. Now it's actually listening to something else. So it says, what the heck is going on? And then all of a sudden your body starts moving physiologically. So in other words, I started walking downstairs to the basement to start to go work out. And by the time the brain catches up, it's like, oh, so I guess this is what we're doing then. I guess we're just gonna go work out. And I guess this is it. And it basically just begins to follow at that particular point, and then you're out of your head because you're already inside of action. So use that 5-second rule for anything that you know is in line with your goals and what you want to do, that in that very moment, you're sitting there talking yourself out of it, because it will help you and it will help you maneuver. But the most important part is as soon as you get down to that 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, or 0, you're moving, you're taking physical action in terms of stepping towards something, grabbing something, getting up, whatever you're hesitating from. You start that physical action and just keep doing it, and then your brain will finally catch up and it'll end up following at that particular point. So I hope you get a ton out of this 5-second rule. If you haven't read that book by Mel Robbins, go check it out. It's a beast. Love it. Thank you all so much for your time. I appreciate you all much more than you know, and you have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.